Viens le bus, viens le bus.
If I
Oh my goodness. Oh shit! Oh! Oh whoa! What the fuck? Wow, that's sexy! Woo!
9 times the force of gravity. Watch from the
Yes,
right.
yeah,
Your rapid
good ass,
demonstrations
but
have
it's
turned
fine.
to the
Shit.
with a minimum rated horizontal turn, then power straight into the vertical. Then watch as Major Gunnison change his direction with the amazing J-turn reposition.
turn your back, you're a broken man.
Coming. Woo, woo.
Turn around and just die in the shade. Don't expect you to understand. Just keep telling yourself it's no shame. It's gonna get
The firepower of the Raptor comes in any combination of 8 missiles and up to 8 precision satellite guided bombs. The F-22 is the first
Look
super
at that ass, bro.
whole tyro and highly agile stealth fighter
yeah.
with a fully internal combat weapons line. Ready to use cameras as the Raptor makes in from the left and cycles its weapons bay doors. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to dedicate this pass to the men and women of the Indo-PACOM Armed Forces and their
What's that
families.
application for?
We would also like to honor the warriors and veterans and attendants and those who have given their lives defending this great nation. This will be your best
Let's
photo
just keep the
opportunity,
best
so
one.
get those cameras ready to capture this salute.
It's coming back.
Now, from the right, the F-22 proudly presents the dedication pass.
they got, yeah, they were there. Some came home in a pine wood box with those stars and stripes on top. They were
The F-22 possesses the ability to point its nose at goal, even at extremely low airspeeds and high angles of attack. Watch closely as rapidly flies in from the left, pulls straight into the vertical, and breathes. It spawns 360-degree aileron roll. At altitude, the jet will flip backwards and level off. And less than
That's
2,000
local,
feet
is
of
that right?
altitude, and
No,
under
I
complete
think it's,
control, Major Gunderson would execute a
Gun.
full
Uh-huh.
360-degree flat turn.
Oh, snap.
三手里。
falling down. What the fuck? Oh, no one found it. Wow.
Raptor will now quickly reposition and show you that the advanced flight controls and engines can
The
do.
sound of freedom, man. Legit. What the fuck?
You will see why the aircraft is unmatched in a vertical flight as it carves through a loop and doubles its altitude at the end. At the top of the loop, you will see the Raptor rotate around one spot in the sky, utilizing the vector thrust of its two powerful F-119 engines, which literally flip the aircraft through the vertical and back to level flight. Following the power loop, you will see the Raptor perform the loaded roll. Mini jets can turn tight, mini jets can roll quickly, and even mini jets can climb fast. But not many jets can slide. Watch now from the left as a Raptor flies, pulls straight into the vertical and brings its throttles to idle, and then under complete control, actually slide backwards.
Slide backwards? Wow, what the freak? This gun.
The F-22 slow speed handling characteristics are phenomenal. Watch now as Major Gunderson repositions the aircraft to corral right, reduces the power, slowing the Raptor down to less than 90 knots, and loads it.
Yes, yeah.
After the pass, you'll once again feel the raw power of the jets.
Wow, this shit.
Gunderson, like those afterburns,
It will, it's coming closer.
straight into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, the Raptor slow speed pass.
Wow, it's damn slow eh. What the?
Bro, that's damn slow
Hey, bro, the F-40 faster than that, bro. Wait, what? No way. No, that's damn slow. That's damn slow. What the heck? Yes, yeah. That's gonna be slower than our F-40, right?
To reach speeds and altitude that makes it virtually untouchable, even without using it.
Wow. Wow.
Accelerated from 90 to 600 knots, making gunners could now roll inverted and pull down into a split X for a high-speed pass, showcasing just a fraction of the aircraft's super cruise and full-speed capability.
Hey, please tell me they'll show the Sonic boom. I want to see the after Cause you're Sonic boom. What's your Sonic boom? Oh shit, here comes.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for Freedom's Thunder on a high-speed pass.
Like a speeder.
Oh, what the shit! Oh my goodness!
Can't stay in one place.
Oh my fuck, that's damn fast!
Keep moving like
Holy
The
shit!
F-22 are now set up to perform the Hoover pitch. This maneuver is a double knife edge, separated by an inverted toe, followed by a pitch in preparation for landing. This will be another great opportunity to capture the graphic on your cameras.
Behind the clouds, he's turning back,
Ladies and gentlemen, named after the late legendary Bob Hoover, the Raptors Hoover
That's
pitch.
damn fast.
Come here.
Oh my goodness!
Ladies and gentlemen, full combos.
Yes, yeah.
This way on the F-22. As the Raptor approaches ship center, combo like those afterburners and pitch away from the crowd. Get ready to feel the raw power as Copper performs a maneuver known as the stiff pitch.
Stiff pinch.
Oh my goodness! That was damn sharp, the turn. Whoa!
For my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's demonstration. We hope you've enjoyed this brief display of only a fraction of the F-22's full combat capabilities as a key component of the most capable Air Force the world has ever known.